Hi everyone. Okay, so I recently watched a TV series on Hulu. It's called Florette. If you are into growing or gardening, or it's springtime and you want to watch a series that is heartwarming and not holiday like, but springtime, that's the series to watch. Florette turned me on to cut flowers, the benefits of cut flowers, her mission and the owner's mission and the reason why she started the company is just really inspiring, and I want to do all the things now. So I've always liked gardening. Well, since I've been an adult, I've liked gardening. So I have a vegetable garden, and obviously I like to companion plant. So a couple years ago, I started experimenting with my companion plants and my herbs and stuff like that, the flowers. After watching Florette, I want to grow all of the cut flowers. I mean, I do have bees, so they're beneficial to the pollinators, but then also, they do improve the soil. They are something beautiful to look at in the springtime. And when it's spring and all the flowers are blooming, you can't tell me that it's not something that you want to look at. So I would love to make like a cut flower garden. Well, I started watching her show, and she kind of explains it all really well. She has a really great website that has a library. And she said that one of the best flowers to grow, one of the most popular, was dahlia. Now, I'm not a cut flower person or a flower person really, but I did some research on dahlias, and in the videos and in her TV series, they are beautiful. So apparently there's something called a tuber that dahlias grow from, and she goes into great detail in her series, but I bought some. So these are kind of expensive, but I figured I would splurge because, I mean, they're supposed to be beautiful, so we'll see what happens. I got mine from Swan Island Dahlias, and they came in this little box here. I bought the tubers, not the seeds. In her series, she says that if you get the dahlia seeds, which you can buy at big box stores for, regular seed price, she says that sometimes they're not as advertised on the package. So with the tubers, you'll get the exact same flower that's advertised, versus with the seeds, you will not. So I bought the tubers just to see what I could do with them. And you know me, I like to figure out other ways I can use the tubers. So the tubers, you plant like a potato, and every year it multiplies in a factor of 4. So by the end of 10 years, in 1 year, you'll have 4 times what you planted. The tubers you can eat, I've read, kind of like a potato. They're starchy. Some of them taste different than others depending on the variety of dahlias. I know that the tubers, if you eat them, can help with insulin resistance. So if you eat them, it helps manage diabetes. And then the flowers obviously are beautiful to look at. And then I think I ordered a couple other cut flowers that I read into the medicinal aspects of also, but those were interesting, and I'll do another video about those. But I thought these would be cool because these are the dahlia tubers. I've never seen them before. I've never planted them. I've never grown them. So I thought I would do a little video for new people like me who have never bought dahlia tubers. All right, so I already cut open the box. All right. I already cut open the box because I was excited. I didn't know that I was picking this up today. I thought we were picking up pool cement. So Austin got in the car with this, and I was super excited. So I went ahead and opened it. There is a lot of information that Swan Island Dahlias sends with and this is not sponsored. I don't know how to do that. I'm new to YouTube. I just make these videos because I like gardening and I want everyone else to like it too. So they sent a lot of information with it. So there's a whole growing guide, Swan Island Dahlias growing guide, which is very informative. I read about a couple pages. It tells you about care, how to plant it, how to store them, what type of soil they like. Lots of good information in here. And then obviously my receipt that tells me what I ordered, and it comes with the stakes that each are labeled with how big the flower head will get and what color they're supposed to be. So you can kind of like experiment. And so I can see if I got what I ordered technically. Also, what's really cool about this is the Swan Island Dahlias has a warranty. If your tubers don't grow by August 1st, you can always contact the company, send pictures, and they'll send you tubers that will hopefully work. And I don't know, it's just really cool. They have 375 varieties. Now, obviously, I ordered, what month is it? I ordered in April. Their shipping season is in March. So,
Mom,
what?
can you help me pull the sticker?
In a few minutes, I'm making a video. Is that okay? Okay. So their shipping season's in March. I ordered in April. So a few varieties, well, a lot of varieties were sold out. So I had to be a little selective for the ones that I wanted. But I did pick ones that got like, their heads got 5 inches or more in diameter, just because I thought it would be really cool to look at from the house. Like, so we have a screened in back porch, and I want to plant them out in the back garden so that I can see them from the house, from the pool area. I thought that would be very pretty. This is the grower's guarantee that I was telling you about. It says that you need to inspect them within 10 days, blah, blah, blah. By August 1st, they will send you more if they haven't grown yet, because they should sprout in emerge 3 to 5 weeks after planting. And if they don't, then you can email a photo, dig them up, email a photo by August 1st of the same growing season. So they'll refund you or send you a variety similar or the same. Really cool. Okay, here we go. Lots of paper. More paper. And they come in these little things here in the little bag. It says to dust off the peat moss and that the variety will be stamped directly on the tuber. Oh, and then it says, due to changes in the ink, we're experiencing blurring of the stamping processes of the variety name on the tuber. The tuber has been bagged separately for ease of identification. Please plant identification bag is included in this bag. Thank you for understanding. So I bought 2 Sunkissed. The Sunkissed are supposed to be, well, here, let me just pull this out. Okay, so I bought two Andrew Charles. These are supposed to get 5 inches in diameter at the head of the flower and are supposed to be orange. And the tuber is in this, looks just like a potato. So you're supposed to plant it horizontally in the ground. Okay, and then I bought Sunkissed, which is, I bought 2 Sunkissed, which are soft yellow and also 5 inches in diameter.
You're talking about the Coke Sunkissed?
No. And then I bought careful. Two Divas, which are supposed to be dark purple and 6-inch heads. And these are big flowers. Thought that was cool. And then this has 3 in it. So this must be Sunkissed, Diva, Sunkissed, Andrew Charles. So this must be a combination of the Honeymoon and Gabby's Wish. So yes. The Honeymoon is supposed to get 8 inches in diameter. That's huge. That's like the size of my hand. Imagine a flower head that big. That's so crazy to me. And then Gabby's Wish is a soft coral, and it's supposed to get 5 inches, I think. Yeah, so let me open this up and see. I got these 3. Sun-kissed the soda.
Wait, you have Sun-kissed the soda?
That's what you said.
Soda version?
That's what you said.
Oh. Oh, you actually have that.
Oh yeah, there's no way I would have been able to read that.
Yay, potatoes.
This isn't a potato. This is a dahlia tuber.
A dahlia tuber?
Uh-huh. Okay, so you can barely see it, but it does say, I don't know if you can read it. It does say Gabby's Wish right there. And I'm confused because there's 2 tubers in here. This one's more like a ball. Okay, and then this one, oh, this one has a thing with it, and it says, oh, Papa's Love. Okay, so this is a different one.
Yay, Papa!
So that one must have been Gabby's Wish, and still missing a honeymoon. Gabby's Wish, this one's Papa's Love, and this one is supposed to get deep pink and 6 inches in diameter. And then, let me see if I can see what this one says. Hopefully it says honeymoon. It does. Okay, so this is a honeymoon one. And that's the big, gigantic one. Now, see, these are the tubers. The magazine that it came with talks about how this multiplies by a factor of 4 every year. So if I plant it, it should have 4. That's what I'm understanding. I'm not good at math. I'm not good at math, okay? And it goes into great detail about, like, how you plant it, how you can harvest the tubers, because if you live in a location that frosts, you should dig them up every year. So I thought that was interesting. But yeah, I'm really, really excited to plant these. I want to do just a small cut flower garden. I think that would be fun. I've got some in my Etsy cart right now, just some seeds that are like $1.99. I think I've got some cosmos, some straw kissed. I'll have Austin link them in here because I mean, it's spring. Why not grow something beautiful along with something you can eat?
Butterfly.
It is a fake butterfly. But that's it. So yeah, Swan Island Dahlias. I'm gonna plant all of these in a cut flower field. I'm gonna till a spot up tomorrow. I might record myself doing it. I don't know, just so I can see like the progression of nothing to something in the summer, and post an updated video. That would be really fun to see. Okay, thank you. Bye.